We are super excited here at Dan's Performance Parts to be offering EMPI's new long block engine assemblies. These new long block engines are hand-assembled in Southern California with all new, all EMPI matched components that have been approved by VW racing legend, Jack Sacchette. Available in 3 standard configurations: 1600, 1776 and 1914 cc, and will fit the Type 1, early Type 2 and Type 3 applications. No core is required, and no long lead times to get your classic VW or dune buggy back on the road today. Also, every EMPI long block engine assembly comes with a 12-month, or 12,000-mile warranty to give you the confidence needed when driving down the road. EMPI's long blocks are assembled with name brand components, such as AA Performance Products, Autolinea, L-Ring, EMPI, Asphalt, Moly, Manton, Silverline, and Shattuck. The EMPI long blocks are assembled with a new Autolinea aluminum engine case, and Autolinea dual-port cylinder heads, built with OE-style Asphalt valves, seats and EMPI proprietary 3-angle valve job, which is performed on a Rottler valve machine right at EMPI, in Southern California. Every EMPI long block engine that we sell at Dan's Performance Parts will be palletized, shrink-wrapped, crated and ready to be drop-shipped anywhere in the 48 contiguous states, and shipping costs are included in our pricing. Please be sure to check out our complete line of engine parts and accessories, as well as our large selection of all parts and accessories tailored to Volkswagen air-cooled enthusiasts. Plus, Dan's Performance Parts is a premier supplier of parts and accessories geared toward the Manx-style fiberglass dune buggies, sand rails, Baja bugs, drag or street performance and vintage VW classic air-cooled vehicles. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, so that you don't miss out on any of our videos or new video releases. Thanks for watching and hope to see you soon.